everybody, it's Debbie and Patti back from Print and Pixel Studio. Today we're previewing a couple of paper packs that we're putting in the shop, and hopefully I'm going to be able to get them listed tonight. We have a lot of great pieces for you to use in your journals and card making and whatever else you may be using them for. We were able to find a lot of really fun pieces, and we made up some fun pieces to go in this pack. First, we're going to start off with these two playing cards. They're
Victorian.
Victorian. I'm not doing well today. Where am I? Who am I? Anyway, they're Victorian. Man and woman, really cute graphics, playing cards. They'd be fun to work with. And then we have a group of stamps that are vintage, that came out from an old bunch of stamps that Debbie's dad inherited years ago. And most of them are butterflies. There's one of Queen Elizabeth in here, butterflies and flowers. And then this is a sheet of cardstock with 3 different stamp designs on it. And I don't know if you saw that video we had last week, but it was where I found that bouquet somebody made with the crocheted flowers on it. And when I took it apart, they came off really nicely. And so I included one in here. I thought it would be fun for a journal page or cover on a journal. And we also included a piece of this really neat upholstery fabric. It's got some great colors in it, and it has some neat fringe up here at the top and a piece of lace, just for fun accents. And then we embossed papers with the embossing medium, or what, Deb?
That's my chair.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Anyway, with the embossing medium, and they really add a lot of accent to your pages. Little bingo card, a couple pieces of coffee dyed paper, some tea paper, and a print and coffee dyed piece of tracing paper. And then you also get some embossed papers here. I think this is my favorite. I hope it shows up good on camera. It's the rose pattern, which I just love that. Mm-hmm. And then this is another cute pattern. It's kind of a damask pattern. And here it is again in white. And you also get the trim piece. And again here, another one, and this is my favorite trim piece. I just love that with the little detail, floral detail on it. And this is a cute idea from Debbie. She had some of this corrugated cardboard, and so she did the emboss the trim. Let me hold it up the right way here. Emboss the trim on here, and it's really cute. Do a lot of cute things with that. And then you get a few sheets of paper that we stenciled on, which again adds some interest to your journal pages. And then you get quite a few pages of vintage book paper and music paper. These all came out of different, some are out of a dictionary, some are out of an old hymnal. This is a cute one that we found, a book. It's called, the title of the book is A Brave Lady. And these are really cute pages, we thought. And an old cookbook. In fact, if the truth be known, this was my great-grandmother's cookbook. And it kind of disintegrated. And so we transferred all the recipes and stuff digitally to keep. But the pages are becoming older, but we thought, gosh, they'd make really great pages for a journal. And a couple of paper doilies, paper heart doilies. They've got the little rose pattern in the circles there. And these are coffee filters that we embossed, and we've used them a lot ourselves because they make great ruffles. They make really cute pockets. And the fact that they're embossed really adds to their interest in the design. Really cute. And here's another book that we found, and it has a few graphics on it on these pages, which again adds a lot of interest. This is cute, wedding anniversaries. I can't remember, what was the name of that book, Debbie? It was
The Social Mirror.
Yeah, The Social Mirror. And interestingly enough, it even has a section in there where how to act when you call the president.
Yeah.
Somehow, I don't know that that's going to be terribly helpful for us today, but it was kind of an interesting thing. But these are real sturdy book pages out of that book. And yeah, here it is, The Social Mirror. And then a piece of music paper. And then another piece of music paper. This one is from the, is this that book that you got that was from
that you
the,
told me not to get.
right,
And we've been using it.
from the opera?
Oh, no, that's not the opera
Oh, it's
one.
not?
No,
Oh,
no.
this is a different one?
No,
Oh.
we haven't. Oh, we have to get that out. We haven't.
I
done
know, we
anything with
haven't.
that. We have
You're right.
so much stuff that we've
I
got.
know.
I forgot about that one. No, you told me not to get this one either.
Well, who knew? But anyway, as you can see, there's a lot of great pieces in here that you could have some fun with in your journal. And stamps and little cards. And then the next one we only have two so far, but we have so much stuff that I'm sure you'll be seeing more of these come up in our shop. This one again has the same, it has the stamps, and these are in colors of pinks and beiges and stuff, and it has birds and butterflies and Queen Victoria, and this is from the Netherlands, I think. But anyway, years ago, Debbie's dad inherited a big box of stamps from all over, and these are some of those, and the colors are just beautiful in them, and I think they could add a lot to your journal. And then again, piece of cardstock with a couple stamp designs on them, and a piece of fabric, lace, ribbon, little lace there, and a fussy cut butterfly, and a tiny little clothespin. The embossed paper, again, we really like this paper. This embossing adds so much, and this is a insert from the inside page of a book cover. So there's a lot of writing space or decorating space here. And we just love the rose embossing on there. We use lightweight spackle instead of the embossing paste. We find that really works a lot better than most embossing pastes. And one of these days we're going to try and color it and see what happens. It might be neat and it might not be, but we'll find out. And again, you get the embossed papers in several different designs. Another little paper here. Like I say, we got some of these papers are from little hymnals, and a bingo card. And this is a cool page. It's got the pink in it, and it's a corn product of the world by countries, which is kind of interesting. One side is plain, which makes it nice, but the fact that it's got the pink on it, I really thought was cool. And then some dictionary pages. Pink paper hearts. And here you get the tea bags and printed vellum or tissue paper. And again, the coffee filters, which we really like. We're loving these coffee filters. And this is a coffee dyed piece of tracing paper. Getting old, Debbie. And here's another page from The Brave Lady, or A Brave Lady. Yeah, cute. And then here's another page out of my great-grandma's cookbook. And the thing that makes it so cool is I was going through it and I never noticed it before, but it has something faded on it and turned it with these little pink discolorations. I guess you'd call them discolorations, but I think they're pretty cool. And believe me, this was not done by Debbie or I. This is how it came. Thanks, Graham. And some more pages from that social, what's it called? Social mirror. Yeah, look at the font on this. Be patient with the boys. Right. You can tell this is an old book.
Things never change.
So cute. What's this? Yeah, cute. It's got a poem down here. Cute. And the music paper again. And another sheet of music paper from Debbie's book. We're not sure what book it was, but it obviously it was a music book. So you get a lot of really cute pieces to work with here in both packs. And I think that you could get have a lot of fun with them. So I hope you'll stop by the shop and check them out.